Transform your website's mobile navigation from ordinary to extraordinary by mastering the Webflow Hamburger menu A circumflex euros. Let's dive in. First, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where your mobile navigation is located. You'll likely see a navigation element that contains the hamburger icon. In the Navigator panel on the left, locate your main navigation element inside. You'll typically find a div block that acts as your mobile menu container. This is what will be hidden and revealed. Now, let's focus on the hamburger icon itself. This is usually a separate element within your navigation. Often a div with child elements or an icon component. Select this element. To customize its appearance, head over to the Style panel on the right. We'll start by adjusting the spacing and size, play with the margin, and padding to get the desired feel, and ensure it looks balanced on your mobile view. Next, let's change the color under the background section. You can select a new color for your hamburger icon to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. You can also adjust border radius for rounded corners if that fits your design. The real magic happens with interactions. Select your hamburger icon and navigate to the Interactions tab. We'll create a while hovering or on-click interaction. For a typical hamburger menu, we'll set the trigger to mouse click. This means the interaction will happen when a user taps the icon. Now, let's connect this click event to the mobile menu div block. We'll tell Webflow to animate this element often. You'll want to change its display property from hidden to visible, or animate its position or opacity. For the initial state, the mobile menu should be hidden then. On click, we'll animate it to a visible state. You can choose animations like sliding in from the side, fading in, or even a subtle scale transformation. You can also add a secondary interaction to the hamburger icon itself. For instance, when clicked, you can have the 3 lines transform into an X shape, indicating that the menu can be closed. This adds a polished, professional touch. Finally, preview your changes to ensure everything looks and functions exactly as you intended. Test the opening and closing of the menu thoroughly. And there you have it, a circumflex euros, a customized, user-friendly hamburger menu designed to elevate your website's mobile experience.